Hello friends, in this quick tutorial I'm gonna show how to share YouTube video on Instagram. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to unmute it. So right now I'm gonna share this video on my Instagram. So I'm going to open this video from here. And here we can see here is no option to share this video directly on Instagram. So all we have to do, we just need to copy this URL from here, and after that open a new tab and search here YouTube video downloader, and now open any website from here. I'm going to open this first link and now paste this link here and click on convert and click on get link, download. And here we can see my YouTube video is started to download, and basically we are downloading our desired video from YouTube. So for that we can upload this on our Instagram account. Otherwise here is no option to share YouTube video on Instagram. So you have to download the video. After that you have to upload that video on your Instagram account. So here's my video is downloaded now. Now open Google Chrome Web Store, and after opening Google Chrome Web Store, search here Inssist, and here is the Inssist web client for Instagram. We have to install this Inssist extension to our Google Chrome. So click on add to Chrome, add extension, and after adding click on this puzzle icon, and from here pin this Inssist, and after that click on this extension. And before clicking on this extension you must have to log in into your Instagram account. Okay, after that click on this extension, then click on okay, let's go. And here we can see I'm in my Instagram now. So I already downloaded the video from our YouTube channel, and here is the video. Now I'm going to show you how to share this on our Instagram using this Inssist extension. So click on this plus icon and click on IGTV video and open file manager and drag the video and release it here. Here you can see it's uploading, and here you can edit your cover. You can write your caption here and scroll down, then click on post. Preparing video will notify when it's finished, and I'm going to cross this window from here. And if I go back to my Instagram profile, here we can see the video is now shared with Instagram from YouTube channel. This is how we can share our YouTube video to our Instagram profile. If you find this video helpful, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. Thanks for watching this video.